I'm Brandon Flinn, business manager of the Missouri and Kansas Laborers District Council. We're here to talk about work zone safety. Throughout Missouri and Kansas, construction craft laborers are employed on numerous road and bridge projects, large infrastructure projects in which cars and vehicles are traveling through the workspace or they're working around active traffic. Construction craft laborers on the job site have to be aware of many of the hazards that working in a work zone present. Their training provides them with the best practices to remain safe on the job sites. However, oftentimes it's the general public traveling on the roadways that also have to adhere to the laws. I would say to the general public, when traveling through work zones, pay attention to the signs, pay attention to the speed, and stay off your damn phone. These workers want what every other worker wants. They want to go home safely to their families at the end of the day. These vehicles are, they're dangerous weapons when traveling 55, 65, 75 miles an hour through a work zone. They can hurt, maim, and kill workers. The drivers need to be responsible. People work and make a living for their family in these work zones, and you have to recognize that.